Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Harig Easy Surf 618, serial number 603EZ. The machine has a Bridgeport BPCG control. The machine is presently wired for 480 volts. Your hydraulics are on right now. We're going to start the spindle. Spindle's quiet. I'm just going to jog the machine around. That's your Z-axis, or your cross feed. Axes are very quiet. You also have your Y-axis, which is up and down, which is also very quiet. We'll start your table reciprocation. And again, that's all variable through the control, through this knob here. You can speed it up or slow it down depending on how fast you need to go. It has a manual chuck on it right now. You can slow it down here. Machine's capable of doing can cycles as opposed to just regular programming. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching our video.